Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can use Apple Pay on Steam. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Log in to your Steam account, go to the account details or payment methods section in your Steam account settings. Check if Apple Pay is listed among the supported payment methods. If Apple Pay is an option, select it and follow the prompts to add it as a payment method to your Steam account. When purchasing on Steam, select Apple Pay as your payment method during the checkout process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction using your Apple Pay credentials. Depending on your Apple Pay settings, you may need to use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your Apple ID password to confirm the purchase. Keep your Steam client and Apple Pay settings updated to ensure compatibility and access to the latest features. So that's basically how you can use Apple Pay on Steam. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.